Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can share your own tuning setup in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy. Once you're on your garage, go to Cars tab, select Upgrades and Tuning. And of course, right here you can go to Custom Upgrade and install whatever parts you wanna install on your car. As well as you can also go to Custom Tuning. Here you'll able to tune your car however you like. And you can just change the settings if you like. Once you're done from here, you can just go to custom upgrade again, and in order to save the setup we need to use the button for setup manager, which you can see right here. So on Xbox we need to press the view button, and if you're playing with keyboard, simply press backspace, and here we need to choose the option save setup. Simply select the slot. Now you can name it whatever you like, but I'm simply gonna keep the Forza. Select OK, and after few seconds you'll able to see screen like this. Here you can set keyword 1 for your setup, keyword 2, and also you can enter description so that people will able to find your setup more easily. But for instance, I'll simply keep it as it is and simply select the option share. Now your setup is public. You can just simply share with anyone you like if you just go to my tuning setups, you'll able to see your setup. You can simply press the right stick in on controller or P key on keyboard to get the share code of your tuning setup, so that you can share this code with anyone and he can simply enter that share code to access your tuning setup. So it is that easy guys. That's how you'll able to share your tuning setup in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.